how to bookmark in Safari mobile. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead into the Safari, okay? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just search for, let's say for example, social media. Let me say Twitter web, okay? And after we search for Twitter web, go ahead into the Twitter login at the top right here. And now what I'm gonna do, I want to save this page, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click kind of a upload kind of a thing below the www.twitter.com. So I'm gonna click on it right here, and you're gonna see multiple options. Scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see multiple options right here, and you're gonna see add bookmark, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click simply adding to bookmark, and we're gonna name it, right? So if you want to name it just like this, leave it, or in my case, I'm gonna just type Twitter web, okay? And now what I'm gonna do, if you want to add a location, to a favorites, that's optional, but if you want to do that, do it as well. Afterwards, you're gonna just hit save. And now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna just, click the tab at the below, right? On your right corner. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the plus button into creating a new tab. And as you can see, this is my bookmark at the top right here. And you're gonna find the Twitter web as we named it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.